language, Creole. Now, if I must tell you, yesterday was May 18. May 18 is a Haitian flag day. You probably see a lot of Haitians waving their flags, putting in their head, do all that. Yeah, it was a Haitian flag day. I just want to talk about it real quick. It should take me maybe a little bit less than 2 minutes, hopefully. When I start talking about Haiti, 2 minutes, yeah, right. Yeah. Now, the flag is pretty much a symbol of liberty. That's what it was also. Because remember, these people in the Caribbean, they were enslaved from Africa, and they stripped them of their origins. They don't know where they came from, but they didn't know their names. They didn't know anything. All they know was a master that was giving them everything, including a Bible. So what they did, they decided to unite among themselves and to learn how to find freedom. And not only that, they didn't want any one of their kids or neighbors to be enslaved. So they started to help liberate a lot of other countries that was in slavery. So at one point, the Haitian flag was a symbol of liberty everywhere, especially in the Americas, even in Europe. Greece came to get help from Haiti to be liberated. So that's a big thing. When we celebrate the Haitian flag, we don't celebrate it just because it's a flag day. It's every time you celebrate it, you know it's something, it's a symbol of retaliation, of freedom, of you want to be a better person and you want equality for everyone. And this is what we celebrate. I mean, not stay too long with that part. And I would like to wish everyone who are here and who have the mentality of freedom, you don't have to be Haitian, as long as you want to be free and you believe in that freedom, I would like to wish you all a happy Haitian Flag Day. Thank you. And of course, the language that came to give the liberty, they created their own language. And earlier when I was writing this, Haitian Creole has a way it works amongst Black people. It has a way it works. If you're Black, it's going to be easier for you to learn it. It's going to make sense to you. But if you are not, it's going to be confusing. That's the art of this language right here. And can you imagine? It's derived from French. A lot of words are from French. Of course, there are words from other languages. And I can be speaking Creole to someone that speaks French. They do not know anything I'm saying. Yet you can speak French to me. I will understand maybe 80% of what you're saying. So this is something that's big right here. This language right here. There's a lot into it. Well, you're learning a lot of things today. Good. We here, Nula. So you get it. So just remember when we're talking about the personals, it's moi ou li, singular. Moi ou li, plural. Nous, nous, yo. Nous, nous, yo. Nous, nous, yo. All right? Good. Present. Moi ale, moi la, nous la, I'm here. Present tense maybe. Let me get my book. Because usually if I go from my head, I might go all over the place. I need to stay on track. Phrase commandé. Okay. Yeah, right. Imperative. Good. Now, we have the negative. We are here. Or negative, not. Guess what we say for not? Pa. Oh no, be careful. When we say pa does not mean the steps. Pa, 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 pa. Opa, camarade, opa, 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 pa. No, not steps. This is pa, which is no, pa, not. All right? I'm not here. Moi pas là. You are not here. ou pas là. She, he, it is not here. Li, pas là. We are not here. Non, pas là. Non, pas le. You are not here. Non, pas là. I keep on saying le. They are not here. You're pas là. Let's rearrange things. Are you learning something? I am. I didn't know I can talk. I can type what I'm talking. So you're helping me develop some skills. Let's try to talk while I'm saying something else, typing something else. I've been doing that too long. Typo, that's what they call it. All right. Not. Pa. Okay, those of you that speak Creole, usually you probably have a limited vocabulary. I'll be like, Odson, why are you putting steps instead of not? Pala. All right. Negation, not. I'm not here. You are not here. She's not here. Di pala. And as you can see, everything is the same way. Moi, ou, li, yo, nous, and yo. All right. It goes like this. Moi, moi, moi. What do I say? I'm. That's what it. I am not here. Because let's about that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm here. La. Why not killing few birds with one stone, right? You're here. Ooh, la. Oh yeah. There's no short for this one. Let's say she's here. La. One space. La. 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 Now, you won't see this often. What spaces are working for me? La. La. Because of L together, you cannot say la. You have to say li la, because every rules have exception. Let's say go, to go, li aller. Okay, to go. Then it would have been l'aller. Li aller. Let me make sure we are not confused here. To go. To go. Li aller. L'aller. You get it? No? Yes, maybe? All right. I'm sure you get it. L'aller. That's good. We don't want any confusions here, because I know even I would confuse myself sometimes. We don't want that. Okay, let's continue. Abbreviation. We're here. No, no, no la. La is different from the other verbs. Some verbs you cannot contract it. But if it was to go, aller, n'aller. And you're here. Nous, la, 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 aller, to go. And you la, they, here. Yo, la, aller, aller, y aller. Let me see how I can separate this so it does not look as confusing as it is to my eyes. Yola. Yet for Ali, you just put Nali, Lali, Yali, Nla, Yinla, Nla, Yila. Here you cannot say Yila, or you have to say Yola. Okay, let's see. Good. You, ooh, oh yeah. You is ooh. All right, let me put it this way so you all can see it. Let me start another one. Because I think, let me share this one right here. I'm just going back for one comment that I saw. I noticed that comment, and you can see how it goes. Moi, I, ou is you, li is he, she, it, nous is we, you, and they is you. You get it? Just want to let it here. All right? That's it. Put it right here. Okay. Now, thank you for the questions. You can unmute yourself too. You can ask the questions. If it's one person, you are welcome to unmute yourself. Just be mindful of the time because sometimes some people like to hear that same question. Not everyone goes to the chat. That's good too. All right. Good. Unmute yourself and say, hey, Odson, let me stop you for a minute. We have some good questions. I like that. Questions help me do it better. And earlier, and I showed you this one too. I, moi, ou, li, yo. Oh, that was a typo. Nous, 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 yo. Okay, that's what I told you. Sometimes what I'm thinking is not right. I'm writing. It's a typo. Promise you, it's not vodka. It's water. Okay, let me go back to where I was. Whiteboard. So far, we get it. All right. Let's go with, let me erase. Can I erase? If I get one yes, I think we'll erase. If I get one no, I will not erase it. So let me know if everyone got it so far.
Yes, I have it. My question is about possessiveness.
How would you say, tell me something in English, how would you put in Creole?
Her bag.
Okay. So what's mine, what's yours, what hers?
Yes.
Okay. Her bag. We'll start with that because ideas are good. So I have one yes. Thank you for unmute yourself, Martin. And here we go. I will erase. Let me write it down, possessive. Let me follow this program here. Possessive is there, but let me write it down. Good. Moving along. Good. Future. So that was the negation. No, pas, good. We have future, present, past, right? Did we do that? No, we didn't do future. Present past, we did present, I think. Past, T, okay, we didn't do past. Which one, future? Yeah. The cheat sheet is right here. I'm telling you, I can't do things on my head. Fitsi, something that's coming, but not coming as arriving, but coming that will be there. Future. You will, she will, we will, right here. I think I should say it as I'm doing it. Mwen prale ou rale li prale nou prale. No, I'm just gonna write it down, then I'll arrange later. Nou prale, 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 flemme. Nou prale yo prale. Feature. Now, those of you that speak Creole, that's familiar with it, you will find out a lot of Haitians do not say say. They use a lot of contraction instead of using everything. So kids in non-Creole, what did just happen? Okay. Oh, I see what happened. This is why I don't like this program. Okay. I know what I'll do. Game on, control new. Let me use what I know. Word. What? Word. Is it small or okay? The size. I need somebody to comment because I'm leaving.
Can you make it a little bigger, please?
Sure. All right. Okay, since you're on mute, does it look bigger now? No?
No, you can go to size. Oh, that's better.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm moving it 100%, but it's not the font I'm using. I'm just zooming it in. Let me take this thing out, so hopefully it might help, because I don't see what you see. All right. Okay, now let me change the font to 18. All right, that's good. You don't need glasses to see now? No. That's good. Good. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, at least I won't get distracted by this whiteboard. Well, it's not my thing. I will, you will, she will, we will, what's next? We, you will, and they will. All right, this is where we were. Mwen pral ou pral, well, let me put it like this, prale. Let me show you the proper way first. So as you can see, I'm using the way we speak, not the way we write. Li prale, nou prale, nou prale, yo prale.
Is prale will or will go?
Will. The confusion is this: when you speak the language and not sure of how it's conjugate, it becomes it's confused because the same word has different meanings. All right, it has different meanings. Although in Creole, when you will, Creole is one of them. Is go. However, we use something similar to it, which is app. Moins app, which is this one, which I will talk about later. Moins app. Or moins pral. Moins prale, parler avec lui. Moins ap al. So this is the negation, all right? Our future tense in Creole. Future tense in Creole to make a phrase. Moins prale. Moins prale. Ou prale. Li prale. I will talk to her. I will play. Moins prale jouer. She will play. Ou prale jouer. She will play. Li prale jouer. Everything will be jouer. Jouer. Jouer.
Shouldn't you take the N off the second jouer? Is jouen? Isn't that fine? Doesn't that change the whole meaning?
Which one?
You will play. Vous parlez jouer. You have the N.
Did I put jouen? No, jouer. I'm sorry. Thank you. Jouen is finding. I think where did the 40 minutes go? And he has 30 minutes left. If we say can go, we're gonna go for another round. I think we can stop because we have the future. We can cover it in 10 minutes, all right? Prale, will, okay? On va aller jouer et on va aller acheter. Buy, to buy. Will buy, on va aller acheter. The second one, I will run, on va aller courir.
How do we know to use the accent mark on top of the vowels? Asigil, I think it's called.
Which one? This one?
Well, acheter, wouldn't there? Yes, there we go. How would we know when to use that?
Oh, good. That's going to be your vocabulary. And when it says acheter, this is a good question. A lot of people are confusing when they see this letter by itself. In French, this is E. In Creole, we do not have that E. We have E. So when we say it by itself, it's acheter. It's E. This right here is ashed. Because don't forget in Creole, we pronounce every letters. Every time you feel like you're slacking up a little bit, go back to the alphabet. because every letter is pronounced. You pronounce every letter. This is achte. This is achte. You pronounce your T at the end. But it's not achte. If it's achte, that means the person that buy and become the buyer. Achte is buyer. Achte, oops, no music. Achte is buy, to buy, okay? All right, so if I'm buying gold, I am the acheteur of gold. I'm buying gold, okay? Because I go somewhere, I can sell the gold. Somebody comes to sell me gold, and I'm some acheteur. I'm the acheteur. So if I'm going to buy something, well, acheter. So I'm going to buy it. I hope that makes sense. So I'm giving you different verbs as go along, so you can see how you can conjugate it. In Creole, it will be the same way. Up is present tense up, because you can say up ale, so it's a future composed future, right? Past tense, right? You ready for past tense? Okay, past tense it is. Past tense in Creole, te. Ah.
I have a question.
Yes.
You said earlier we don't conjugate verbs in Creole. What did you mean by that?
We don't conjugate verbs in Creole. For example, when you say she has, in Creole, we're not gonna say li, gain, will not change.
Okay.
The pronoun changes, but gain will never change.
Okay.
Yet, and if you say you have remain. You have the same verb become has. Okay? In Creole, it will never change. Thank you. That's a good question. You never change the verb. So therefore, it's not really conjugate. The reason I said let's conjugate earlier in the slide to get you to know what I'm doing. Hey, we're gonna construct phrases. Then you find out, oh, they don't conjugate the verbs in Creole. We change the pronouns, and the pronouns changes, but the verb remains the same. Wente, hey, look at that. Wente ale. I went. Wente ale. Or ale. Ntale. Ntale. Remember when we said contraction? Maybe I should not confuse you yet, since this class is going to be over soon, because even with the contraction, I can tell you when you contract a verb, when you do not contract it, just like earlier, there was the verb, we do not use the abbreviation for it, because it changes everything, all right? Où you went, où t'allais, où t'es allé. I hope when I say te or ta, you understand T, it's just te, all right? Just like when you say I am, when, I went. So pardon me, the English might be off, and you already know English, so just bear with me here, because I want to make sure I give you the right one in Creole. You, she. Oh, guess what, Lee? This never changed. She, it, he, Lee, they, allez. All right. Lee, they, allez. Yes, you know. What is she doing? What? You can bring it. Thank you. Salut là, c'est toi? Elle met ce là-dedans. J'ai globé. Oh. Mettez ce qui est, mettez ce toujours. Les bas douces. Oui, mais mettez ce. Yeah. Tu visites la bouton, j'ai globé vraiment. Okay, hurry up. I'm doing a class. I gotta go. Thank you. Okay. All right. So she went So we're going to we went, nous t'es allé, and you went, nous t'es allé, and they went, you t'es allé. Okay, that's easier. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. No, I don't want to test it. I want to finish this. Okay. And Matiali. Good. Matiali. Good. Matiali. Good. So we have the past tense. Did we do the past tense? Possessive case. What's mine is yours. Are we good here? I want one answer. Somebody can say yes, no. We go back and we continue. Anyone can chat or unmute yourself because we have only 1 minute left.
It's good. Thank you.
I have mine. Mine. Pas moi. Yours. Pas ou. His. He is? No, would you say his? His. Mine, yours. Oh yeah, his. No, his. His. Okay. His.
IS.
Thank you. Pal. 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 Basically, this is pali, pali, pa ou, pa moi. Here we go. Abbreviation. PAM. We less than 1 minute. Let me see if I can. POW. Take a screenshot. POW. This is abbreviation. PAL. And here's yours. That's all of you. Ours. Or your S. Pa. Pa. No. You see that one? Be careful. It's not step or not. This is for us. All right. This is not ours. Earlier we were saying it's not negation. This is for us. This is possessive case. Pas nous. Let me go with Creole. Pas you. Pas nous twice. Pas you. I think it's gonna stop soon. Or ours. Theirs. Ours or yours.